Magandang gabi guys. Nagluluto tayo ng tortilla ng mga alaga ko. Yan. Isang itlog. Ahay, hindi pa mainit ang aking mantika. So, lalaksan natin ang ating apoy, mga kabebang. And then, tortilla bread. Patong natin sa itlog. Yan lang po ang hapunan ng aking dalawang alaga. Hindi po sila mahirap hanapan ng lutuan ng pagkain dahil simple lang po ang pagkain nila. Hindi katulad ng ibang alaga. Sila ganyan lang. Pag kami lang ang tao dito, tahimik ang mundo. Pero pag nandito yung nanay, mahirap silang pakainin. Ganito lang po kasimple ang pagluto ng pagkain nila. Kahit sa tanghali naman po, nag-order lang din kami sa restaurant. Kasi ayaw nila kumain ng lutong bahay. Kaya malimit, na-order lang kami. So, hindi ako nahihirapan sa trabaho ko. Sobrang alwan ng aking trabaho. So, kaya, ganito lang. Lagyan ko lang siya ng ham. Yan. Yan. Cheese para masarap. Kaya lang kadali ang pagkain nila. Yan. So, hanguin na natin. Hanguin natin at i-roll. Para areko. Yan. Yan to. Yan lang. Pagkain nila. Transfer ko muna dyan at gagawa ko ng isa pa para sa bunso. Ganito lang. Okay. Isa natin. Ayan, cheese. Triangle cheese yan. Lagyan natin sa tortilla bread. Malinis naman yung kami ito. Yan. Tatat lang natin. Yung triangle cheese. Yes. Lagyan nyo lahat yung tortilla bread para masarap. Tapos, isang itlog. Batihin lang natin. Lagyan natin ng konting asin. Para may lasa. And make it scramble. And then, lagay natin sa bawang. Para meron na yung punso. Damihan mo natin apoy. Para maganda ang lapat. Unahin natin itlog. Tapos yung tortilla na may triangle cheese. Lapat lang natin. Para medyo maluto. Kaya luto yung itlog pag taob sa kabila. Pag dinaligtan mo, huwag nang malakas yung apoy para hindi siya masunog. Kasi pag malakas yung apoy, magiging crispy siya, hindi mo mai-roll. Hindi mo na siya ma-roll pagka crispy yung bread. Tapos ito, lagyan natin siya ng dalawa. Tapos isang cheese ulit para masarap. Ayan. Pag likod ay may ano na, medyo brown na, pwede nyo na siyang kunin para i-roll. Para hindi na siya ano. I-roll ko na lang siya ng ganyan. Tapos, yan. Slice natin siya ng ganito. Para madali mo lang makain. Yan. Stir na natin. Kaya natin isang ganyan. Ang panganay kong alaga, ito ang juice. Yan.
Look how much I win.
Yung bunso naman, ganito lang. So, let's go kung kakain na sila.
29,
Guys, let's go. Yala. Can you put me in the
I have 35 Williams.
inside? Yeah, so. Okay.
Tomorrow we play again. You want to?
Okay.
Tell me.
1 minute because that one is hot. Hey. Welcome to, hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Huh?
Say hi to my vlog.
Who's your blank?
Yan ang aking mga alaga na makulit. Lamig. Hey. Say hi to my vlog.
Who's your blank?
This. This is my vlog.
Hello. Hi. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Stop. 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 Bro,
Hey.
can you please stop copying me? Stop. No, you are copying me. No, you are copying me. No, you.
No.
I'm saying it first, so you. I'm saying it first, so you.
Ipicturean ko yan para
Pwede ka makilig ka magrabra.
sino maraming nakakain. o hindi. Yan, sinisend ko sa nanay nila.
They're talking for no reason.
Yeah, because I'm crazy. Yala, eat. Hey, wash your hands.
Oh.
Go in toilet, wash your hands.
Wala sa.
Adam, yala, go. Hey. Yan, ganyan sila. Go. Give me that wipes. Behind. Behind. Where is behind? Adam, behind. You don't know the behind? Okay. If you are doing like this, no need. I cannot clean.
But you will put this in the wall?
I told you behind. Where is behind? Here?
You will put this in the wall?
Yeah. Come. Faster. Unless you have still sabon on your... Make it dry on the tissue or anything there. Go. Yan. Yan po ang aming araw-araw na buhay ng aking mga alaga pag kami lang dito. Yala guys. Ganyan lang. Should to finish everything that all, huh? يلا آدمي. Take one.
What are you doing? Flowers? I love flowers. Thank you, Ginu. One more thing. I'll dress up handsomely for you. Here
What
are
is
the
your password?
ingredients for today's
6, 7, 6,
But
7,
first, I
2,
gotta
3,
cut them up
4.
like a fruit
Oh my
ninja.
God. 6, 7.
Impressive. And the salad is served.
Mia, move. Mia.
Salad, eh? I don't think I like it. Is that so? Okay, let's get rid of these then. We can have ramen instead. Oh, yes! This is
Sobrang
my
lamig.
favorite! This is the
Sa
best
labas.
date ever, right?
Yes, slowly. It's coming out.
Look, it's Ginu!
You're
It's
hungry,
our
huh?
friend back. Oh, it's on! Guys, stop!
Ano
Why
sa
are you trying
kumain?
to fight? Ginu and I are just on a date, see?
Yeah. Ang busy sila sa kanya-kanya na lang tablet.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. 999 million?
Too much cold outside, see?
Ginu's trying to run
His
away
mouth
from
is,
the film. Let's catch him! Oh, come on.
see? Too much cold outside.
They're playing Don't
Look,
Smack
look,
the
look.
Egg.
Him?
It's
Yeah.
Ginu versus Rumi. She
See?
seems very
His mouth
skillful
is
at this.
going,
Signora
the
and Assassino are also
ice
playing
is coming
against each
out
other.
on
I'm
his
so
mouth.
good at this
No,
game.
it's not
Who's gonna
cold.
win?
It's cold.
Oh no, Rumi smacked
Look.
the egg.
Look, look.
Signora also smacked the egg. My hand. It's full of egg.
Yes, slowly it's coming out.
I know. We're gonna use chopsticks
Yeah, better.
to remove them. Stay still and I'll start pulling out the eggshells. It stings. Just a few more. There, it's all gone. Yay, my hand feels better now. Take that, Rumi. Oh no, how do we fix my hand? Let's see. I have an idea. We need a giant candle. I'll light it up and wait for the wax to melt. Gently tip the candle over to pour the melted wax on your hand. You gotta cover up the eggshells. Okay, let's wait for the wax to harden. Now peel off the wax.
Alam, I need to cut your
It worked.
nail.
My hand
See?
doesn't have
This
eggshells
is
anymore.
2 days, huh?
So much better.
Huh?
You're a genius, Ginu.
This?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
No.
Flamingini
When?
Bunny likes to eat
Last time.
everything. I'm gonna
When
give him some
Mama's
noodles.
birthday.
My turn.
Yes, put it inside your mouth. Oh my God.
That should make him full. Look at him dancing while he eats. There it is. Flamingini Bananini has had enough. He's pooping a lot. Hold on. Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Yes. We need to go to the toilet. Here's the restroom. Hey, I'm busy eating Nutella. Yikes, the toilet is so dirty. So gross. Ew, I'm not using that. I think I'm gonna puke. What to do now? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna clean the toilet. I'm gonna need a lot of soda pop. I'll pour it around the toilet. I wanna add some more soda pop.
Drink it.
Gosh, that was disgusting. Oh, hey, Ballerina Cappuccina. Do you like my dance? Oh, my. Senora is taking off Cappuccina's head. Stop. What a huge cup head. This should do. I'm going to do my business right here. What a relief. I'm also going to add a lot of foam to the toilet. I think it's time to flush now. All that dirt is going to get washed off. Yes, it really worked. I want to display Derpy on this shelf. Then I'm also going to put a fluffy Derpy cover on the lid and the seat. Time to do my business. Squid Game doll is charging to gain energy. Uh-oh, Signora and Rumi are up to something. Let's cut off her hair. What was that? What did you two do to my hair? Wanna get shot? Yikes, she's really mad. It's Rumi's fault. No, please. I'm gonna shoot you.
What's that?
You have a
Look, I
minute?
got you this squishy ball. It can work well as a wig. Try it on
How
your
you
head.
will have 5 minutes if you are doing like that in
Why you
outside?
put it there?
Because it's coming out the sauce.
Patapim. Take a seat, Patapim. We're gonna give you a new haircut. Look at your thick branches.
Adam, put it here.
Got all of these. Just
No, hold it, but the sauce don't let in
wow, what a
coming on the
fabulous hairstyle. Good job,
Carpet.
girls.
Okay.
Carpet will be bad smell.
We're so
Okay.
talented, right?
So do it like this. What? Okay.
There's something in her
Ilya, Adam, I want this one to come in the plate. See?
A lot of them. These could
Eat like that.
one person. Espressiona Signora. Jeez, relax, people. Allow me to explain my side. I was about to drink my favorite Starbucks drink when suddenly some kind of liquid started dropping into it. It turned out to be the doll's oil. This was so disgusting. It was like she was losing blood. Of course, I had to help her before she could ruin my drink any further. I grabbed some coffee beans from my head. I made sure I covered up every hole because the oil was kind of gross. The doll started feeling better. All the holes were covered up. She thanked me a lot and left. I wanted to enjoy my drink, but it was full of oil, so I said, never mind. We need more proof she's telling the truth. Hold on. This is her Starbucks cup. Look, it really is full of oil. Signora is not lying. Then what could be the cause of the doll's collapse? Oh, look at the cords sticking out of her. It's leading to the plug. It seems she just got unplugged after all. Look, the doll is alive. She just needed to be plugged in. You're alive! My doll! Here comes the front man. Who did this to my precious doll? Oh, it looks like there's a purple braid in her mouth. Aha! It matches your hair. I didn't hurt the doll, I swear. Let me explain what happened. I made it to the Squid Game arena, and my picture was taken. So I did a lot of cute poses. Then the doll appeared behind me. She said long hair was not allowed, so she wanted to cut my hair off. I was so nervous. My hair is really precious, so I couldn't believe she was just cutting it. The doll took my hair and she ate it. Then she continued to give me an ugly hairstyle. I was wondering what my hair would look like. I was losing so much hair. It was breaking my heart. She turned me into a bald person. I'm so ugly now. I'll prove it to you. See, this is just a wig. Then you're innocent after all. Rumi is signing posters for her fans. Espressiona Signora wants fans too,
Hello.
but they don't recognize her. We love you, Rumi. Thank you for being my fan. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we have a signed poster.
See, Mia is in
Here
down.
comes Spider-Man. He's
She's
also
waiting
a big fan
the
of
food
Rumi.
full down.
I'm so happy I finally met you. Can you please take our picture? Whatever. I'll take your stupid picture. Yes, I'll stand right here. Look at the camera, I guess. Say cheese or whatever. Cheese. Oh no! A spider is crawling towards Rumi. There's also another crawling towards Signora. Ah, get this spider off me! It's in my nose! She knew it. Assassino Cappuccino to the rescue. Are you okay? I have an idea. Let me borrow one poster and your straw. We're gonna poke a hole in the poster for the straw, then light up the end of the straw. Perfect. The heat is gonna draw out the spider. It's gone. No more spider in my nose. Oh, is that it? Look at this disgusting thing. Oops, I think it's still alive. Save me! Don't worry, I'm gonna help you. I have this special ear cleaning gadget. Let's try it on, shall we? Just place this gadget
Well
over
done.
your ear and press the button. It's very high tech, you see? It kind of tickles a little. Yuck, so much earwax is coming out, but at least the spider came with it. Ew, that's gross.
Natapos na yung
The
guys.
spider is gone. Oh my! The
Mabilis
crowd
talagang
keeps
kumain
switching
yan.
between Signora and Rumi. Signora and Rumi are really trying their best to beat each other. Signora is really giving it her all. Her violin is starting to break. Oh no, a string broke. Ugh! I'm gonna stop Rumi. Give me your mic. No, it's mine. Give it back. You're such a thief. Give it. Oops, they
Take it.
pulled too hard and hit themselves. Signora lost a
Take it.
tooth. Wait, there are my coffee beans. I just need to get one and replace my tooth with it. There we
Eat.
go. I look pretty again. Ruby also lost a tooth. I look so ugly with a missing tooth. What to do? Look, there's an apple. I can use this to bring back my tooth. First, I'll set the apple down and stick my tooth in it. Really deep. I'll remove the tooth. Then I'm going to apply some glue in the bite hole to copy the shape of the tooth. Look at my glittery new tooth. I should try it on to see if it fits. Yes, my golden tooth looks so pretty. Rumi and Signora are makeup is left in my space. Activate
Ayan na.
makeup remover laser. I shall remove your makeup. Your makeup's gone. Yours too. You better not break my rules. My face is so bare.
Elias, don't do like that. You will touch my feet. Elias, Adam, put it all, everything in your mouth. It's very small.
I'm gonna need
Diba?
I can touch me.
First, I'm gonna remove these band-aids from Mommy's face. Then I'll pop her huge pimples. She has a lot.
Drink your
But
juice.
I'm having so much fun. Her face is clear now. Gotta add cucumber to fix
And we
her
go direct
tired eyes.
to shower.
Check this out. I'm gonna take
1
a
minute?
picture of my
Is it enough?
Still a
I don't know.
goal-scoring machine. From rounding the keeper to a death.
Oh no, a baby hit Jesus with a ball.
So, yun lang mga kabeban.